Hey guys, Alnisa Sharif here, back with another video, and today I'm going to discuss Club Cash Fund, and I'm going to give you an overview of your sales kit and other benefits of joining the program. Alright, and here we go. So, if you don't know too much about Club Cash Fund, then here's the overview. This program started in February of 2019. And so that was earlier this year, has exploded across the internet. You get paid when people visit your website, request a free kit, and pay their one-time $100 membership fee for access. People love this program. Why? No stamps, no envelopes, no printing costs for flyers, and best of all, no buying names to mail offers to. In other words, it's a marketer's dream. So, what's included in this free starter kit? Well, the kit includes a 6-page letter with your Club Cash Fund ID, and this is how you get paid. And it also includes detailed frequently asked questions, the owner's contact info, and most importantly, how you get paid every week. So now we're going to do a free starter kit preview. Okay, let me move this up a little bit. Alright, so this is what you will receive when you order your free kit. And it looks very pretty. You know, it's very detailed. It covers, you know, your fee, what it covers, how you can pay it. And, you know, it gives you your ID just in case your sponsor doesn't send it to you. It'll arrive in your kit. So it gives you, you know, payment confirmation, like what happens after you join, you know, and how everything's laid out for you after that. It also gives you a postage paid envelope so that you can send, you know, your payment back, you know, via snail mail. And it says, you know, here's how much money is given to you, or how money is given to you, sorry. And it mentions the website rotator, which I'll get into a little later. And that's John's contact information right there. And then it lets you know if you have any questions. You know, you can call and listen for live testimonials or the overview of the company. So these are all the questions basically. And what to do with your licensing fee. And there you go, get started now. Alright, so now I'm going to take you back to the presentation. Alright, so what does the one-time membership fee cover? Your own back office, your personal links to a capture page or video page that markets for you, access to kits, leads, team members, and earnings, marketing images and ad copy, web hosting, stamps, envelopes, etc. Your link also goes into a rotator so you can get traffic to your capture page. That's a major bonus. You can purchase site traffic that works, and your payments are mailed out every Friday. Like clockwork. So how do I pay my one-time membership fee? Well, you can mail it back in a postage paid envelope included in your kit, or this is the new feature, you can pay using the Cash App. You will be fast-tracked into the program once you do this, and you will receive your welcome email within 24 to 72 hours versus waiting for 10 days. The choice is up to you. So what Club Cash Fund is not. There's no cash gifting. It's not an MLM, pyramid, or money laundering scheme. There's no member-to-member program. So is it legal? Of course it is. You purchase a suite of products. You're buying into using these images, the content, and the web intellectual property. You pay for, you know, access like when you join any type of membership club. It's the same concept. Training modules that are included with your membership, gives you access to comprehensive training modules which cover how to post on social media, the do's and don'ts of posting on Facebook, how to get more user engagement, very important, how to get free leads for your business, how to be a web and email marketing, another very important skill. And these modules are worth thousands of dollars in the digital marketplace. So now I'm going to give you a preview in the back office. All right, so make sure that didn't kick me out. Okay, so I'm still in there. Okay, so these are your standard training modules. So this one is about Facebook strategies. And these, all these videos are roughly about 25 to 30 minutes long. And as you can see, there are 9 of them. And they're covering, a lot of different principles that help you to become the best Facebook marketer. All right, and the other module that you get access to is the Email Profits Bootcamp. Which is also doing about the same thing, giving you strategies so that you can be effective when sending email messages out to prospects. And if you don't want to watch videos or you want to have notes to look at later, you can download the PDF course. All right, so what about upgrades? I'm glad you asked. Pro membership has many perks. Example, overnight your payments. Pro members also have their own rotator that allows them to get more daily commissions. So below I have outlined the pro member perks with the additional trainer modules that you get, and more marketing choices, flyers, and postcards. So the Club Cash Fund, help and support. So we have Facebook groups that provide training and support for all paid CCF members. Once you are a confirmed member, I will give you access. And there's more training and more support. So now you have more training resources, traffic resources, marketing training techniques, effective back office training, and effective email training. So you can also contact me if you have any questions. I will be ready to answer them, any details, or if you just want to get started with requesting your starter kit, there's my link. And, well, that is about it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys.